get the patch day analysis. We already know what the nodes are in your system. We know what your kernel, what your application stack is. So these are the nodes that was basically identified. And the critical ones, the high ones, medium ones, as I said, it's just as important. And then we targeting the systems that are under management. So I may have 20 systems, but let's say I'm focusing on productions. In this case, we'll go through and say, hey, these nodes are missing in your environment. This is already downloaded. So right away, you know what component is affected, right? And from here on, you can choose in this report and say, go ahead and create me remediation ticket for these nodes, because out of 28, I have these ones that are applicable. And not only by one system, but by the entire system that is under the scope, right, in your environment. So maybe you have GSC, GTS, CRM, whatever it is, or BobJ or something like that. So you know what is important. Immediately will come out. And again, this is with context, right? Context of the systems that are under management, not just the generic. It will identify which the nodes are, which are the highs are. So basically those key findings can go into, as I said, findings is like, okay, I can lump in the findings and create that for patch Tuesday on August, and then associate that to my risk model, right? What if this risk model says this is the level of exposure, not by the CVSS only, but by how applicable it is and how much effort. And then you can look at that and it will prioritize on, should I do this first or whatever. So these findings, once we have that, you can also get the analysis. So other nodes were in that list, MII, manufacturing execution, right? That's not in our environment. Maybe you have it, Commerce Cloud or Business AI or some Adobe Java. So again, we could do this within, I'd say, 30 minutes of Patching Tuesday, and then you get your recommendations. These come down and they say, okay, where are we now in terms of taking the next step? And I'll review. So the analysis is done. We're going to create a ticket. And this is where we go into the next level of work. I'll show you kind of full compliance audit log of the analysis and the actions. Maestro is our IT-Conductor customer service agent. It has access to security agents. Again, it goes into this analysis, but I'm going to go back to when it was last week on the 13th. And we look at the notes and it analyzes that, right? And so I can interact with this and say, hey, go ahead and create me, which it actually did. So if I go back to, in fact, I go back to our ticket desk, we have at this point remediated all the known notes that came out from that. That's in the resolve state. Some of these you can see here. Each one of these has a life cycle. Like for instance, I got the note. Maestro can create the note automatically. So we do that creation to track the life cycle of that vulnerability. And then from there, essentially, we have the ability to then apply the note automatically. Not all notes can be applied automatically, just SAP is complex. But let's say 50 or 60% of them are, in which case there's no dependency. A lot of them are because they find a single vulnerability, not a complex chain. And those can be provided in our automation library for execution and remediating into your development or sandbox environment. And then you can use transport automation to move them up.